The hairline is the most important aspect of any hair restoration procedure. To achieve the appropriate hairline, one must choose the appropriate size graft and create the appropriate angle so that we get a very natural result. A failure to follow these basic tenets of building a hairline will result in an unnatural appearing pluggy hairline. There are ways to create an appropriate hairline that is going to be proper for the individual patient based on his facial anatomy and his degree of hair loss.